Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn trigonometrical ratios of some specific angles. And what are those specific angles? 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degrees are called the specific angles. Now we will try and find out what will be the values of these trigonometrical ratios when the value of the angle, here I have taken that angle as A, will be 0 degree, 30, 45, 60 or 90 degree. Now to illustrate this one, I have drawn here an isosceles right angled triangle such that the sides AB and BC are equal and they are of unit length. Now using the Pythagoras theorem, we can find out what will be the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is equals to root 2. So if I want to find out what will be this angle, then in a isosceles right angle triangle, both these angles will be 45 degree each. So if I am finding sine of A, then what is sine? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. So what will be the value? 1 by root 2. So in this table where I have this specific angles, sine of 45 degree will be 1 by root 2. Similarly, we can find out what will be the value of sine when the angle is 0 degree and it comes to 0. What will be the value of 30? It will be half. We have already taken out for 45 degree. For 60 degree, it will come root 3 by 2. And for 90 degree, it will come 1. Now what about cos? We can go back to the triangles again, but instead we can simply rewrite the values of sine in the reverse order. That means for 90 degree, if I write here 1, then we write root 3 by 2, then 1 by root 2, then half and 0. So what we see here is that if I can remember the first line, 0, half, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1, then I can easily write down the trigonometrical ratio of cosine by writing the same values in the reverse order. Now what about tan? Now in order to find out tan, we can use the quotient relation. Sine by cos is tan. So if I divide the value of sine by the value of cos, then we will get the value of tan. So when I do so, what do I get? 0 divided by 1 will result in 0. 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2 will result in 1 by root 3. Similarly, this being same, we will get 1. Here we will get root 3. Now 1 is divided by 0. 1 divided by 0 is undefined or not defined. That means tan of 90 degree is not defined. Now what about the values of cot? We do the same thing that we did for cos. That means write down all the values of tan in the reverse order. So first thing we can write here, not defined. Then we can write root 3, then 1, then 1 by root 3, and finally we write 0. Now let us verify. Now we know that cot A will be cos A divided by sin A. That means 1 divided by 0 will be undefined or not defined. So we got this value. Now to get the value of sec, how do we find the value of sec? Sec we know is the reciprocal of cos. So what will be the reciprocal of 1? Reciprocal of 1 will be 1 only. What is the reciprocal of root 3 by 2? It will be 2 by root 3. Reciprocal of 1 by root 2 will be root 2. Reciprocal of half is 2. And reciprocal of 0 will be not defined. So now we can write down the value of cosec again in the reverse order. We can write not defined 2 root 2, 2 by root 3 and finally 1. We can verify this one. Now we know cosec is the reciprocal of sine. So what is the reciprocal of 0? It will be 1 divided by 0, which is not defined. What is the reciprocal of 1 by root 2? It will be root 2. So these values are called the trigonometrical ratios of specific angles.